Hi guys, this is Narek from PC Mill Geeks with a quick setup guide for your newly purchased D-Link 942L enhanced wireless and day-night home network camera. I will be taking you through the desktop application installation process, how to set up the camera itself, and finally how to stream content live from your camera onto your iOS or Android mobile device through the My D-Link cloud application. So now you can keep an eye on your household. Let's get started.
To set up the camera, you'll need the camera, of course. You'll need the power cord that came with it, the Ethernet cable, the setup utility disk, and a working router, preferably with WPS enabled. If you do not have WPS, or if you're not sure, you can consult your router manual, or you can look at the back of your router and see if there's a WPS button. If you don't have WPS, it doesn't matter. As long as you have the Ethernet cable, it will still work fine.
If you don't happen to have the data DVD, we can pop over to this website. You want to scroll down to the software tab. Look at the DCS 942L My D-Link Windows Setup Utility version 1.02.10. It's 38 megabytes and it's the latest version. Go ahead and hit download. We're going to save it, save as, save it to the desktop, and let that download. For those of you who do not have the data installation disk, go to the downloaded file I showed you how to get earlier, making sure you have a WinRAR or 7-zip installed. If not, download links will be in the description. You can right click and go to Extract to DCS 942L My D-Link Windows Setup Utility. Now it's on your desktop, simply double click it, open up that folder and hit auto run. Now for those of you who do have the disk, now is a good time to put it into your CD-ROM drive. Now we can hit auto run to begin the installation. We're going to hit set up your cloud camera. Choose your language. There's a drop down menu here. Press start. Make sure you're connected to the internet at all times. And it says there's an updated version of the Setup Wizard. Please click the update button to download the new Setup Wizard. We can do so. Put it to my desktop and select the folder. Press OK. Now we can exit this and go to the new setup. Then we can close that window behind and start the process again. Click Start. We can accept these terms and conditions after you've read this. Press Next. Now after completing these two steps, we want to plug in the power adapter, look at the back of the camera, and make sure we have a solid light that turns green.
and a solid green light.
Is the LED on your cloud camera lit solidly green? Yes. Now we can check it, and you must create an account in this section with a strong password of 6 to 30 characters. Make sure you do that. I've left my account name as admin, but you can choose any name you want. Okay, you can go ahead with a Ethernet cable setup, but I'm going to show you how to use the Wi-Fi protected setup or the WPS setup. I'm going to go ahead and check it here, and this will take us through the process. Now to start us off, we unplug the Ethernet cable from the router and from the camera. Now we press and hold the WPS button on our cloud camera for 6 seconds, then release it. The WPS LED should start to flash blue. Within a minute of enabling your WPS on your camera, quickly do so on your router. There is usually a WPS button there. Press that as quickly as possible and a connection will start to establish. Once our camera has established a connection, the WPS LED will turn a solid blue, and the status LED on the camera should start flashing green. From then onwards, the blue LED will only flash every 5 to 10 minutes, and the green LED will be a solid green. Since we have successfully completed that, we're going to hit close, and we're going to go and hit next. Now the network will restart. And voila. Enable MyD-Link services. Now, if you've got a MyD-Link account, you can go ahead and press yes, I've already got a MyD-Link account, and log in so. But if you don't, like myself, I'm going to hit no, I want to sign up on your account if you're going to be using cloud, which I am planning to do. Now you enter in your email, your password, confirm it, and then we're going to go on with the next step. You go ahead and press next. Please check your numbers and make sure it is 8 to 30 characters. So that means your password must have 8 or more characters. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to blur this out. You can't see anything. And go ahead and press next. And it's going to create your D-Link account. And now, at the time of recording, we can see that that is my TV that's being filmed. Ugh. Amazing footage from the camera. I've picked it up now and I'm showing off my router and my camera. And now I know that everything has worked. We can edit our cloud camera name. I'm going to call it the Cool Camera. And I suggest adding internet shortcut to your desktop to make accessing easier. We can access our camera within a matter of seconds. Now we log in. I'm going to hit sign in. As you can see, it works perfectly. Now opening up the phone, I'm going to be heading off to the Google Play Store, but you may be going to the Google Play Store or the iOS Application Center. It's the same thing. Now we search up My D-Link and we can see all these options coming up. They all look pretty similar, but what we're looking for is the one that's generally on top, the My D-Link Lite application by the D-Link Corporation. Now we install that. I've already done so. And we can open the application. You'll be prompted to sign in with your My D-Link account. Now we can see that my camera is streaming in my lounge room. I have all these different options at the bottom. What are they? You've got disabling of sound. You can screenshot, as you just seen there. We can speak through the microphone and scare a few people.
Hello.
We can scroll through. We have a night and day option there. We have an information button at the far right hand side, which gives us details about our camera. And we can change our streaming content quality. I've just changed mine to 480p or high quality. There's a close-up of the night and day. And that's pretty much it. As easy as that.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Head on over to pcmill.com.au to view this product and more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check us out on Facebook, Twitter and Google+.